Good morning, students. In last three classes, we study about the definition of human geography, nature of human geography, and the subject matter of the human geography. And last topic is development of the human geography. In here, the definition of human geography study about the nature and the environment. The relationship between nature and the environment is called the human geography. Next, here the scope of the human geography. Nature of the human geography. In nature of the human geography, we study about the human and human and their activities are keeping in the central point in geographical way in nature of human geography. Next, then here is the scope or subject matter of the human geography. The subject matter of human geography describe describe in the describe here the broad data. The subject matter of the human geography is very broad. Here we explain here the by with help of the 6 points. Now here the development of the human geography. The development of the human geography we study with help of the 3 ages. First, ancient period, second, medieval period, and third, modern period. In ancient period, many geographers tried to here the develop human geography. Then here only physical geography is considered as a geography in the ancient period, but some geographer connect the human with the geography, like here the Herodotus, Hecataeus, and many other Greek and Roman geography. In ancient period, here the India, China, Egypt, European countries effect to develop here the geography. Next, the medieval period, here the invention period, British Empire, the developed empire, and they migrate to the another places, and here they try to connect the human from the geography. Next, here the modern period. In modern period, here the human geography have the separate places in the geography. Here develop the main branch. Here the geography have the 2 branches, physical geography and human geography, and the second branch, human geography's responses start from the 18th century. That Redgel is the famous geographer to here the separate the human geography or develop here the human geography. So Redgel is called the father of the human geography. Redgel is called the father of human geography. We study here all these famous geographers. Abhi recent here the in board exam last board exam here the questions 20 word question here the write the name of the geographer belong to the Britain, France. So we study we learn here the geographer's name. First here the German geographer Redgel, Humboldt, Ritter, Froebel, Pessel, Richthofen. Redgel is the father of the human geography, and the famous book of the Redgel is Anthropography. So Redgel, Humboldt is the father of the modern geography. The German geographer Karl Ritter, Redgel and the Karl Ritter, and the same time approx here the medieval of the 17th century and 18th century, approx here the 1869 year. So death of the geographer 1859, the geographer Humboldt and the Ritter. ठीक है, Froebel, Pessel and Richthofen. All these geographer here Redgel, Humboldt, Ritter, Froebel, Pessel, Richthofen belong to the Germany. Second here the France famous geographer here the Vidal Lablas, Jean Bruns, Dimanzia, De Marton, Fabre. The geographer's name here the Vidal Lablas. The full name of the Vidal Lablas, Paul Vidal Lablas, Bruns, Dimanzia, De Marton and Fabre. And geographers belong to the Britain. Name here the Herbertson is famous geographer. Mackinder's famous theory Heartland theory. Roxby and the Fluor. These geographers belong to the Britain. Herbertson, Mackinder, Roxby and Fluor. USA, United States of America, LNC Sample, Griffith Taylor, Huntington, Bowman, Kolosauer. LNC Sample, here the LNC teacher of the LNC Sample is the Redgel, here the Griffith Taylor, and the Huntington here Huntington classified the subject matter of the human geography in two parts. Here the physical conditions and the human responses. Clear? And Bowman Kolosauer is the call of the father of the cultural geography. Clear? And the Roman geographer Strabo, Greek geographer Herodotus, Aristotle, Hecataeus, Thales, Anaximander. Herodotus is called the father of the history. Herodotus is called the father of the history and also called of the father of the historical geography. Clear? And the Hecataeus is the father of geography. Hecataeus is called the father of geography, and the famous book of Hecataeus, Jasperedius. The famous book of the Hecataeus, Jasperedius. ठीक है, Hecataeus is called the father of the geography. Thales and Anaximander belong to the mathematical geography. So all these geographers are the famous geographer of the human geography, and we learn here in point of view of 20 word answer. Learn here the which geographer is belong which country. Here the German, France, Britain, all these are the European countries. These countries is the part of the European continent. USA, United States of America in the continent North America. ठीक है, Roman and the Greek. ठीक है, here the German geographer Redzel, Humboldt, Ritter, Froebel, Pessel and Richthofen. Try to learn here. France's geographer Paul Vivaldi, Laplace, Bruns, Dimangia, De Morton, Fabre. Britain's geographer here the Herbertson, Mackinder, Roxby and Fleur, and USA geographer Allen C. Semple, Griffith, Taylor, Huntington, Bowman, Kolosauer. Clear? Here the Kolosauer is the father of the cultural geography. Roman geographer Strabo, and Greek geographer Herodotus, Aristotle, Hecataeus, Thales, Anaximander, and the famous book of the Hecataeus is Jasperedius, and the famous book of the Redzel is the name of Anthropogeography, and famous book of the Humboldt is Cosmos. Now we study about some thoughts. What is thought here? The famous geographer here the geographer give the statement and the ideas, and some geographer follow these ideas, and these ideas become the thought. So what is thought here? The geographer, ठीक है, या many scholars, जो भी scholars होते हैं क्या रहते हैं ना, definition या ideas, given the definition or ideas, then some here the other scholars follow them, then this idea become a thought. So here the three thoughts about the human geography. Here the three thoughts. First here the determinism. Second here possibilism. First here determinism, second possibilism, and third neo-determinism. Neo-determinism. Clear? Here the determinism, possibilism, neo-determinism. Three here the thought. First here the determinism. Here the father of determinism. The name is Redzel. Father of determinism name is Redzel, and the father of possibilism name Vivaldi, Laplace. And father of neo-determinism name is Griffith Taylor. Clear? The father of determinism here the Redzel, father of possibilism Vivaldi, Laplace, father of neo-determinism Griffith Taylor. Start here the determinism. The thought here determinism. What is here the determinism? Here the nature is strong. And human is weak. In this theory, nature is strong and human is weak. Human considered all these human considered here the all these thought of all these here the thought and all these thought and here the वापस एक बार करेंगे। here the father of the determinism is red jail, here the nature is strong and the human weak। human क्या कर रहा है? worship the human worship human worship the nature। ठीक है, ह्यूमन कंसिडर कर रहा है कि जो भी होगा वो क्या हो रहा है कि नेचर जो चाहेगी वो करेगी। हियर द नेचर इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, ठीक है, लाइक हियर द ऑल दीज नेचुरल थिंग्स लाइक हियर दिस फ्लड आ रहा है, हियर द अर्थक्वेक, मैनी अदर प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट बाय द नेचर। ह्यूमन क्या करेगा? उसको कंसिडर करेगा। हियर द नेचर इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, ह्यूमन इसमें कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहा है। ह्यूमन क्या कर रहा है? दिस कंडीशन इज द डिटरमिनिस्ट, हम कंसिडर करेंगे हियर द आदिम जो कंडीशन होती है ना, स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द ह्यूमन ओरिजिन से कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे? द ओरिजिन ऑफ द ह्यूमन। दिस थ्योरी इज द डिटरमिनिज्म थ्योरी। नेक्स्ट हियर द पॉसिबिलिज्म, द फादर ऑफ द पॉसिबिलिज्म मिडाल्डी लाप्लास एंड न्यू डिटरमिनिज्म, फादर ऑफ द न्यू डिटरमिनिज्म ग्रिफिथ टेलर। ठीक है, टुडे ओनली द ब्रीफ स्टडी ऑफ दिस थॉट एंड in next video we study about these thoughts।